Down on the farm, the morning's bright, tractors roll out.
Oh, what a sight!
Big and small, in colors bold, shiny and ready, rumbling and roll. Red tractor hums, green tractor whirls, blue tractor twirls with flags and pearls. The cows all cheer, the pigs all squeal, tractors on parade. It's a lively deal. The sheep wag tails, the horses prance, all join along in the happy dance. Through muddy fields and past the barn, the tractors rumble with happy charm. The farmer waves from the front of the line. Look at our tractors, they shine, shine, shine. With horns that beep and engines loud, they make the farm animals proud. As the sun sets, the parade slows down. Tractors park and rest in town. Animals cuddle and dream all night of tractors rolling with colors bright. Ooh, tractors rumble with happy charm. Ooh, the farmer waves from the front of the line. Look at our tractors, they shine, shine, shine.